As a part of the mass protest called by Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity (COCOMI) in connection to the Indo-Naga peace talks, which is likely to end by this month, sit-in protests were held in different parts of Imphal City and other districts of Manipur today. As per reports, sit-in protests were held in Bisnupur Bazaar, Wangkhai, Khoyathong and Kwakaithop. In support of the massive protests, students of JOHNSTONE Higher Secondary School Imphal today also came out to streets in front of the school gate and chanted slogans conveying messages on protecting the territorial integrity of the state. Nagaland Leader of Opposition T.R. Jalyang wrote to the Nagaland Legislative Assembly Speaker Baiko Oyoshu notifying about the need for a joint legislatures forum meeting on the Naga political issue. Terming it as most regrettable, Jalyang said that the members of the JLF were informed about a proposed meeting on October 4 at Rhododendron Hall of Chumuke Dima in Dimapur. However, the scheduled meeting was postponed and thereafter no further notice has been served till date. District Transport Officer of Imphal East, Simon Keishing, launched the ASHOK LEYLAND Bus LYNX Smart 42 Plus D-Seater and ASHOK LEYLAND Quick Service Vehicle of ASHOK LEYLAND, the automobile giant, at ISBT today. The launch event was organized by Lamjingba Motors and attended by Managing Director of Lamjingba Group of Companies, Vaikom Hirojit, General Manager Yunam Roman and Chief Editor of Lamjingba Times, H. Achoba Sharma. A team of THOUBAL police, assisted by volunteers of anti-drug associations LEYLAND, arrested a drug user and drug peddlers along with contraband items from LEYLAND area last night. According to police, a large number of contraband items were also seized from their possession. Fighting Against Abusive Substance Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization Nambol and Nambol Apunba Nupi Loop destroyed around 200 liters of illicit liquor at Nambol Bazaar yesterday. The destroyed illegal liquor was seized by the volunteers from different places of Nambol. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO had affirmed that it will extend its solidarity towards COCOMI in protecting the territorial integrity of the state. This was informed by President of MMWO Abdullah Fundremayum during a press meet held at the office of MMWO Hatta in Imphal. Arunachal Chief Minister Pema Khantu formally inaugurated the Jarbom Gamlan Government Law College at Jote, named after the late former Chief Minister. He was accompanied by Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly P.D. Sona, Education Minister Taba Tedir, Local Legislator of 14th Doimuk Assembly Constituency Tanahali, and others. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma met Prime Minister Narendra Modi and discussed several issues pertaining to the development of the state, including the games and infrastructure ahead of the national games to be hosted by the state.